Here's what you need to know about what is RPO and RTO. This is an exam topic in Domain 3, Network Operations. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. RPO and RTO are two critical metrics in disaster recovery planning. RPO, Recovery Point Objective, defines how much data loss is acceptable. RTO, Recovery Time Objective, defines how quickly systems must be restored. Together, they drive decisions about backup frequency, replication, and site type. Key concept: RPO, maximum data loss. RPO is the maximum amount of data an organization can afford to lose, measured in time. An RPO of 4 hours means backups must run at least every 4 hours. Any data created after the last backup will be lost in a disaster. Key concept: RTO, maximum downtime. RTO is the maximum time a system can be offline after a disaster. An RTO of 2 hours means the service must be fully restored within 2 hours of failure. RTO drives decisions about failover speed and site type. Key concept: cost versus recovery speed. Tighter RPO and RTO require more investment. Real-time replication achieves near zero RPO but is expensive. Hourly backups are cheap but result in up to 1 hour of data loss. Organizations balance cost against acceptable risk. Key concept: drives DECTAR planning. RPO determines backup frequency and replication strategy. RTO determines the site type needed. A 15-minute RTO requires a hot site. A 48-hour RTO could use a cold site. Both are defined in the disaster recovery plan. Let's look at the full breakdown. RPO 0, no data loss. Real-time synchronous replication. Hot site required, highest cost. RPO 1 hour, hourly backups or async replication. Warm site may suffice, moderate cost. RPO 24 hours, daily backup sufficient. Cold or warm site, lower cost. RTO 15 minutes, hot site with live failover. Auto DNS redirect, near instant recovery. RTO 24, 48 hours, cold site rebuild from backup. Manual hardware setup, lowest cost option. Here's a real-world example. A hospital defines an RPO of 1 hour and an RTO of 30 minutes for its patient record system. The 1-hour RPO means they run continuous replication. At most, 1 hour of records could be lost. The 30-minute RTO means they need a warm or hot site ready to take over quickly. These requirements rule out daily backups and cold sites entirely. Quick recap before you go. 1. RPO =, how much data loss is acceptable, measured in time since last backup. 2. RTO =, how fast systems must be restored after a disaster. 3. Lower RPO requires more frequent backups or real-time replication. 4. Lower RTO requires faster infrastructure like warm or hot sites. 5. Both RPO and RTO are defined in the organization's disaster recovery plan. That's what is RPO and RTO? Covered. Exam tip: RPO is about data. How much can you lose? RTO is about time. How fast must you recover? A common trick question: if a company runs daily backups, their RPO is 24 hours, not the backup window itself. The RPO equals the gap between backups. Next up, what is a backup strategy? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.